You are standing in line. The barista looks at you and says, "Next, what can I get for you?" Suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You feel totally stuck. Do you run away?
Don't run away. I know that feeling, and it is completely normal. Welcome back to the English Boost. I'm Ryan. Today, we are transforming you from a nervous tourist into a coffee ordering master. By the end of this video, you will walk into any Starbucks or local cafe in London or New York and order exactly what you want with zero stress.
And I'm Professor Banana, full of energy and ready to help. Ryan, did you know that ordering coffee in English is actually a great test of confidence? Coffee.
It really is, Professor. The menu alone looks like a foreign language. Caramel macchiato, flat white, cold brew. It's so confusing. Brew.
Oh, the menu is just the beginning. But don't worry, humans. Today, I'm sharing the golden coffee formula, a 3-word phrase that works in 99% of situations. Plus, later in the video, I'll tell you the funniest mistake foreigners make that accidentally orders a cup of hot water and costs you $5. Stay tuned for that. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Coffee, please.
Wait. Coffee, please, is okay. But it sounds a bit cold. Let's upgrade it. Ryan, try the golden formula.
Can I get a regular coffee, please?
Beautiful. Now, let's do a quick practice for everyone watching. This is a power phrase. Ryan, say it again slowly. And you at home, repeat right after Ryan.
Can I get a regular coffee, please? Can I get a regular coffee, please? Okay, that was easy, but then the barista asks a million questions, like what size or what kind of milk? Almond milk.
Yes, this is where people panic. If you want regular milk, you don't need to say anything. But what if you want healthy banana milk or oat milk?
So, if I want a medium size with oat milk, how do I combine it without getting stuck?
You use the size plus milk plus drink formula. Watch this. A medium oat milk latte. Simple blocks, Ryan. Try it. Latte.
Can I get a medium oat milk latte, please?
Perfect. Let's lock this in. Everyone, listen and repeat after Ryan.
A medium oat milk latte, please. A medium oat milk latte, please.
Boom! You sound like a native speaker already. Great! Is that to go or for here?
Oh, to go means I take it outside, and for here means I sit at the table. To go. For here.
Correct, but in the UK, they might say, take away or stay in. It means the exact same thing.
Got it. To go, please.
And then they say, your total is $5.50, cash or card.
If you say card, they will say tap or insert. Tap means putting your card or phone on the machine, but today I have paper money, so I will say cash.
Okay, Ryan, it's time for the 1-minute speed challenge. I am a very busy barista in London. Ready? go! Hi, next please. What can I get for you?
Can I get a large almond milk cappuccino, please?
Sure. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Awesome. Any pastries with that?
No, thank you. Just the coffee.
Perfect. That's $4.20. Cash or card?
I'll pay with card, thank you.
Wow! Amazing! You passed the challenge. No panic, no mistakes.
Now, as promised, let's lock in your vocabulary. Here are 20 essential coffee shop words, with some help from the professor.
Coffee.
Espresso, the strong base of almost all coffees.
It is very small, but it has giant power. Latte. Espresso with a lot of steamed milk.
Cappuccino, espresso with milk and a lot of foam.
Americano. Espresso with hot water.
Decaf, coffee without caffeine.
Coffee without energy? Why, humans? Why?
Haha, because some people drink coffee at 9 p.m., Professor. If they drink normal coffee, they can't sleep.
Barista. The person who makes your coffee.
Brew, to make coffee or tea using hot water.
Pastry. Croissants, muffins, and sweets on the counter.
Cookie,
Muffin.
almond milk.
Syrup. A sweet liquid to add flavor to your coffee.
Cinnamon, a brown spice with a warm and sweet smell.
Napkin.
Counter,
Customer.
to go, take away, to drink outside the cafe. For here, dine in, to sit down and drink inside.
Receipt. The piece of paper showing how much you paid.
Wow, 20 words, 3 simple steps, and a complete challenge. You are officially ready.
Indeed! And you know what's great? Every single week, there is a new episode right here in the studio to build your real-world English confidence, completely free.
Exactly. If you enjoyed this vibe and want to sit with us every week, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps our small studio grow so much.
Now go out there, find a cafe, and order with a big smile.
Boost your English, boost your life. See you in the next episode. Bye.